So what is the case is, see, generally for cartooning, I'm just speaking for some time before the people are getting ready, okay? So keep your ears to me at least. The thing is that for the art of cartooning, we need to understand three basic things, okay? First thing is that it is a cartoon. So cartoon doesn't have shape, size. It's your imagination, what you want to do, okay? Um, Second thing is that, okay, this cartooning, actually I was also not very much sure that I will be able to do cartooning sometime in future, but I learned it from the sketchy sultan Amit Shah, and I just loved it. So I thought that, yeah, I will be able to share it with you all. So I'm sharing it, and there are few cartoons along like with me right now, and I'll show you. But if I show you right now, then there will be no suspense, so I'll show you in the end, okay? So for that, first is, okay, we are going to draw this chap first. Okay, this chap first. I love him actually. Okay, take it. That's okay. He's cute. So fast. Are you ready, guys? I'm going to just switch on the video of mine in the morning, which I mean, in the morning I shot the video, so that you will be able to go ahead with it. First thing, okay, yeah, the two things I have told you about, one is cartooning, second is I have told you about sketchy sultan, from whom I have learned. Third thing is that, uh, importantly, basically, and more importantly, that you guys need to speed up today, okay? Because for cartooning session, I was sitting to learn for like hours and hours and hours, and then I have learned it. So I have made it fast. Yes, you have to draw the same cartoon, but I will show you step by step, Tarushi. Don't you worry about it. So the thing is that you will have to be a bit fast as I speak. Your pen should be here, your concentration should be on the paper, pen, and your screen. It's okay. So I guess we shall start, okay? Yeah, it's fine, Divit. You can have, see, I have so many things, okay? I have marker pen, I have small marker pen, I have a sketch pen, I have a pen, I have a pencil. Whatever you want to draw in with, it's okay with me. So I'm going to start up the video now. Yes, you can use the pencil, and I will advise you to use the complete paper, okay? Because it's starting, okay? Or you can use the half paper at least, okay? Use at least half paper. I have to draw it a big one because otherwise you will not be able to see it, okay? So let's go ahead. I will just share my screen for the video. Okay, so now I'm going to switch on the video, and you will be able to see it. Okay, fine, guys, let's start. Everyone, we are going to learn how to make cartoons today. So for that, you have to remember a few things actually. You can use your pen, paper, pencil. I'm just going to use few markers out here. I do have a black pen with me around here, but I'm not going to use it because it will not be visible to you. Okay. So first, what we have to remember is that we need to draw two eyes. Okay, for that two eyes, we are going to draw in middle. I'm just drawing it big, okay? Here. Draw two circles which are adjacent to each other. Okay, have you done that? Then we are going to just put a small dot inside. Okay, then we are going to make eyelids. Okay, then what happens after the eyelids or eyeball is, sorry, eyelids and eyeball is eyebrows. So we're going to give it a simple eyebrow. First draw a single streak, then just keep an upward thing, then join it. See? Okay. Now we are going to fill it up because eyebrows are always dark. Okay. So we are filled up. Don't worry, it's a cartoon character, so if something goes wrong also we are okay. Okay, so now after eyelids and eyes, we are going to draw nosy. So that nosy is going to be the simple one, a small cylindrical U. Okay, see, After that, this character is going to be happy character. So we are going to first give it a smile, okay? So anyhow, it doesn't matter. आपका ये line नीचे जा रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है, it just doesn't matter. Just focus on this, okay? Then you have done a half semicircle, or you can say a semicircle आप लोगों ने निकाला है. Then just a big semicircle joining them both. Okay? Now what we are going to do is just like a square pattern. See here? Okay? The square pattern. We are going to give this square pattern to the teeth. Okay? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 squares. You can give any number. It doesn't matter. Okay? Now what happens is you need to have a tongue. So we are going to just fill up this entire part black for tongue. Okay? Is it okay? Yep. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go for a inverted U structure. Okay? Inverted U structure is, see, what am I doing is you have done this line. Okay? Now from this, what I generally do is I just put a small 2 dots here so that I know where I have to connect. Okay? So Chung, inverted U. It's done. Yeah, make it fast, no props. Okay. Now what we are going to do is first a chin part. We are going to give a small and cute chin here. So what I generally do is I just keep a one, two or one, fingers distance and just give it a chin here. Okay, this is a chin. Why we give a chin is because we need to understand that where we are going to join it. So I'm going to join this here and I'm going to join this here in his chin part. Okay, it's done, guys. Great. Okay, so now what we are going to go ahead with is we are going to make an inverted 6 and 6. See, I made 6. Okay, now I will give round shape ear to cover up 6. Okay, now I'm going to fill it up. Okay, yeah. Now for the hair, you have n number of patterns of hair, I'll just show you. I have drawn it yesterday for showing it all to you, that you can go for this circular round hair. You can go a simple round hair. You can go with the strike hair. You can go with the spiral hair. You can just, simply just draw this way and just cover this up. This is the pattern. So you can even go like this. See, I have done the double stranded hair. Okay, now I will show you something here that is like just like a hairstyle. This chap also has a cute Maggie style hairstyle, so I love it, so I'm gonna make it. Okay, so for the partition, you can give a partition here or in middle as you wish. Okay, but I'm going to give him partition here. Okay, so first I'm going to draw just like a floral character. Okay, done. And then this, done. Okay. Now we are going to just make all jalebis, all curvatures, all rounds. Okay. Inside. Okay. Now is it visible to you all? Yeah. Now what is next is we need to have his neck. Okay. The face is done. Now you understand. You need to understand this thing is that the body of the character is just not important in the sense is like इट कैन बी मिसमैच, मतलब इसमें जरूरी नहीं है कि आप डरे या सोचे कि भाई मेरा छोटा ही आ गया पैर, मेरा बड़ा ही आ गया, मेरा कान बड़ा हो गया। इट्स अ कार्टून, ओके? द कार्टून इज जस्ट meant to have fun. So whatever you make is your own character, is your own cartoon. So just chill and enjoy with it, okay? So now let's go ahead. We are going to give it a neck, okay? A neck, a small neck. See, then we are going to give it a collar like this, okay? Now from this collar, we are going to draw two strands, okay? Like this sticks, done, okay? We are going to make this inverted shape, see? A diamond line again, done? Now what I will do is, like, now I have to make him Motu or Chotu or Patlu or Mojadu, doesn't matter. What I'll do is, like, I want to have the hand ka itna sa length. So I just mark that length, and from that length I'll go for inside line, okay? Okay. Now he is standing, hands behind his back, okay? So I'm going to just complete this like this. See? Okay? Okay. Now you don't have to worry because I am just going to make his shirt. See? My line went, aside. It doesn't matter. What I'll do is I'll make it in a pattern. I'll just show you how. Okay? Okay. Then he's standing, a plain standing structure. Okay? Done? Okay? Like this. So now what I will do is, this is my mistake, right? Okay. So what I did was, what I was showing you was, I was just coloring his pants. So color his pants first, please. Fast, fast, fast. Color the pants. Okay. After coloring the pants, after coloring the pants, what we are going to do is, we are going to make a brinjal. Okay, the big brinjal. See, like this. Okay. One, two, three. Three strips. Okay. And here also, there's this big brinjal. And I'm going to give it a stand type of structure. This is a brinjal, then I just turn it here, and like, again 3 dots. Okay, guys, so now let's go ahead. Let's not waste much time, okay? I'll tell you something which is very much important, okay? Uh, Now I want you all, see, to write down what I have written. Chalo, jaldi, 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 jaldi. We are going to write down. Okay, okay, I'll just take a small pen because it's a big one. I just don't want to make a mess. Okay, just start writing down, guys. Eyeballs. Chalo, chalo, jaldi, jaldi. Eyeballs. Then eyelids. Then eyebrows. Then nose. Fast. Okay. Then lip curve. Okay. Then down lip. Down curve of lip. Ouch. LIP. Okay. Then we are going to go for inverted U. Just write it down, inverted U for upper head. Chin. Okay. Join chin. Join that chin. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. Then 6 and inverted 6 for ear. Okay. Round around ear, around 6 actually. Just write around 6.
Okay, that's better, I guess. Yeah. Okay, then you're going to give him a hairstyle. Okay. Then, oh, okay, there is one part left actually, which is important and which is between the lip curve and down curve is, yes, teeth and tongue. Okay. Now after hairstyle, we are going to just write it down. Neck. Okay. Then hands, body, leg, shoes. That's it. Now, guys, we need to understand. Okay, I have shown you this hairstyle, right? So you can just do the chuckly pattern. This is a round. Okay, you're not able to see it. Then it's fine. Okay, this is a round pattern, and again a round spiral pattern. That is your curly hair. A single round you can do. Okay. Then there is a strands for the hair. Okay. Then there are spirals, Medusa type hair. Ting, ting, ting. Then we have this type. Okay. Just cover this part. Okay. Now, after that, we need to understand. See, guys, when we are, ouch, sorry, extremely sorry for this. Okay. Okay. Now, when we are going to draw cartoon, okay, when we are going to draw cartoon, we need to understand that cartoons give some message. Okay, this chap is standing hands behind his back. He can hold, okay, he can hold a surprise gift, he can hold anything, okay, or kuch chupa raha hoga, and he's just smiling that mysteriously. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to give him a message, or we are going to kuch to bring it. Okay, so the thing is, there are three types of ways by which you can do the messages. First is that you can simply, जैसे पेपर में आता है newspaper में, you can just simply write down, just simply write down some few lines about him. Just like, oh my God, oh, I am just waiting to have my next chocolate, like that, OMG, that type. Okay. Then you can have a thinking bubble. Thinking bubble में ऐसे है, you remember, right? Seeing the small dots. Then there is a big cloud, and you can write message in this. OMG. Okay. Now, uh, we can give him one more pattern, that is he speak. Okay. So there is a speak bubble. So what he's saying is, okay, I'll just draw with a pen. Okay, this is not speech bubble. This is just simple. Okay. Okay. So saying that, wow, I am loving it. Okay. And the most important thing for any cartoonist is you need to sign. So I'm going to sign Raju. Ching ching. So you are going to develop your own signature as well. Chalo chalo fatafat sign karo jaldi jaldi. And just type in okay, type in okay in the chat box. Type in okay in the chat box. Done, done, done. Type in done, type in done. We'll go for the next one. Fast, fast, fast. Okay. Okay. Any doubts still? No. Okay. No doubts. Okay, guys, no doubts. No doubts, right? Type in no, 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 no. Yay, that's great. So that you can also, draw such. I mean, I can show you, that's such cute cartoon. And we are going to go for, see, what's the time now? It's 12:02. Okay, for next 10 minutes, we are going to draw two cartoons. So 5 minutes for one cartoon. So we'll need to go be a bit fast because I need time for 20 minutes for that lecture. And after that lecture, if you want to continue with cartooning, I can give you one or two more cartoons if you want. Okay, or we can think about it. Done. Okay. Chalo. Let's go ahead. All right. Type in okay, 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 okay. Type in okay. Go, go. Okay, fine. Type in go. Go. Can you hear me, guys? Type go. 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 Go, 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 go. Great, great, great. We're going for the next cartoon. Okay. Now, what generally happens is, okay. Okay. What happens is generally nowadays also we get up in the morning and mom just, she like, why is she waking us up? And we are just bored. We are just so lazy to get off, And that all can be expressed only by, okay, that all can be expressed only by your cartoons, okay? So what we are going to do is, let's draw fast, okay? Again, we are going to show, make two rounds, fast, fast, fast. I के लिए rounds बनाओ जल्दी, छोटा बड़ा कैसे भी चलेगा, जल्दी जल्दी, fast, fast, fast. Okay, then what we're going to do is हम लोग सो के उठते ना तो we are just like so tired, we are like oh my god आंखें नहीं खोली है, so this eyelids are going to be down, very down, see, okay, and now मेरी आंखें कहीं कहीं से खुली है, mom you're waking me up, see, that way, okay, okay, now you can just if you want to add effect, okay, you can just give this additional thing, okay. Then again, eyelids के बाद में क्या था, eyebrows. See, मैंने आपको okay. Remember this pattern, okay? Remember this pattern, babies, while drawing. See, eyebrows are done, eyelids are done, eyebrows. Next is eyebrows, right? So we are going to draw eyebrows. So अरे सो के उठे हैं ना तो draw करेंगे eyebrows ऐसी थकी वाली. मुझे उठना ही नहीं है बेड से, मम्मी ने क्यों उठा लिया? मैं तो अभी बोलती हूँ, my mom just gets pissed off by me sometimes. Okay. That way, then we are going to go for the nosy. Now this nosy I'm going to show you very funny because it's like hum log cannot be so okay, this big and this one. Okay, and now I'll just add a line so that मेरा नाक है ये दिख रहा है, ठीक है? So let's go ahead. The nose. Then we are going to have a lip curve. अरे यार सुबह उठ रहे हैं तो कैसे लगा होगा? I'm not interested. So मैंने just a line की थी. Okay. Then after that, I'm going to add my two Dracula teeth like this. छोड़ो मुझे type में. Okay. Then I'm going to just take a just this line between and join this triangle. Okay. Now again, you can show this three teeth, two teeth. मैंने तीन दिखा दिए. Yep. अच्छा 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 फिर ये smile लग रहा है. देख रहे हैं? You know how it changes? When you were there were two teeth, he was like, okay, ठीक है. Now it is like that. Now find one space for mommy. That okay, mama, let me sleep. Just complete this plan. Okay. No, fast, fast, fast. Sorry, I'm taking too much time. While talking, I'm not that much. Okay, then again, by the nosy, we are going to do the two dots. Ching ching. Then, okay, we have to join this. Okay. Okay, now, सुबह सुबह उठने के बाद में मेरी chin ऐसी होती है. So I'm going to just draw a big square. Square. नहीं उठना है ना, इसलिए. ठीक है? Done. Now अभी सुबह सुबह गाल थोड़े से सूजे हैं. So I'm going to just add this, join this, and join this. ठीक है? Then अब कान तो पूरे ढके हुए ही होते हैं ना, we are sleeping, so we are not going to make a sin this, we're just going to do this circus. Okay, तो अभी बेड पे है ना, तो बेड के ऊपर पहले तो सबसे पहले इसके बाजू में what we need to understand is okay चिराग, okay बंदे, okay what we need to understand is we need to add a pillow. तो फिर कैसे करेंगे, हम लोग सो रहे हैं ना, तो सर के नीचे पिलो होती है, राइट? तो पहले उसके पहले आगे हेयर के पास जाने से पहले let's make its neck. Okay, ये नेक हो गया मेरा छोटू सा क्यूट सा नेक. Okay. Okay, then I'll just show you. Okay, okay, this is better. Then I will just go for half body. Okay, now this is defined. तो अभी मैं पिलो डाल सकती हूँ. यहाँ से मैं ऐसे कर्व लूंगी, यहाँ से मैं सिंपली ऐसे कर्व लूंगी, ऊपर से भी मैं एक कर्व लूंगी, यहाँ से भी एक नीचे से, सॉरी इसके हेयर छूट जाएगा वैसे, बट ऐसे कर्व लूंगी. Now I'll join this. I'll make a line so that मेरा pillow cover दिख जाएगा. Here also I'll make a line and I'll make one small line. Okay. Now यहाँ पे जैसे आपको है चाहिए वैसे करिए. मेरे सुबह बहुत messy होते हैं, so I'm just going to draw it like. अच्छा okay, boys है तो permit कर दीजिएगा थोड़ा सा. Girls है तो भी बना सकते हैं. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Girls है तो हम लोगों को क्या करना पड़ेगा वो मैं next इसमें दिखाऊंगी. So this is generally the look when I get up. Okay, but before that, हम लोग क्या करते हैं? अच्छे से अभी तो गर्मी आ रही है, but the thing is that still I put on the AC. So this is my chadar. I have stars, I have hearts, I have a star, I have hearts, I have stars, I have hearts, I have stars, I have stars, I have hearts, I have many things. Okay, okay. So I will draw my chadar जैसे मुझे चाहिए, the pattern which I want. Okay. Then what I will do is मुझे चद्दर में खींचने आ गया. So the thing is I will just put my fingers like 1, 2, 3, 4. नहीं खींचने दूंगी मैं चद्दर. 1, 2, 3, 4. नहीं जाना है मुझे. Okay. Now this is a neck of yours, and that's all. You can just even write a small slogan now here. Happy on your t-shirt, okay, or something like that. So now what we can do is, I didn't tell you one thing, that is we have small minute lines. Okay, those lines make a lot of difference. How we are going to do that is, see, agar maine yahan soye hum log silhouette kiti hai, right? You remember? So it is a small line here, 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 a small line here. So it shows that okay, ye to banda soya hua hai. Now again, you are going to do is like, I will just make it a speech bubble. Okay, I will write it, Mom, Sonero. Okay, ठीक है? And main important thing, Raju. Your signature. Okay, now I will show you. This man is standing, right? So this man is just standing. But if he was doing any movements, what you can do is you just show him like this 2 lines. There are 2 lines, and anywhere, so that you know it can show and add up the character. One more thing in cartooning which you have to remember is that this. See, our cartoons is always black and white. On the white paper, they're drawing with a black pen generally. So we need to make a contrast. What is the contrast? See, in this picture, it will be very clear. You have shoes, you have pants. Okay? The shoes are white, pant is dark, shirt is white, neck is white. This is dark, this is dark, this is dark, this is dark. So where we can see, and even in this contrast, we have just filled the tongue or the mouth black. So thing is, wherever you can fill up, you must see, to make it more attractive, you can even go for like filling up the hearts and even starting more attractive. See, I'll just show you. I was just waiting for this part. Okay, now see, these are the darkened hearts and these are normal hearts or normal stars. This makes more attractive because it's contrast which plays the game. Okay. So what I want you to do is, I want you to draw this cartoon and draw and write your own message. Okay, not my message. I'm telling you again. On this also, you will draw and write your own message, what you feel, okay, or what this chap or what this character of your feels. Okay. Okay, done. Okay. Are we good to go? Are we good to go for the third person, or we should stop? Fast, fast, fast. I have only 5 minutes I can spare with. Fast, fast. Go, go, go. Kuch to likho, guys. Where are you? Go, 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 right, go. Chalo, chalo, jaldi. Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to show you fast girl, because I need to have my evoke your writer lecture. That is also very important. So the thing is, so let's fast. हम लोग भी एक बहुत ही cute लड़की निकालते हैं. Now what happens is, लड़की के साथ में what difference makes? क्या है कि लड़का कुछ भी डाल देगा, just t-shirt pant हो जाता है. That's okay. Boys are too handsome to go ahead. But लड़की के बहुत सारे नखरे होते हैं, right? And like I also have many nakras. So like matching tickly, matching dress, matching this, matching that, whatever. So we are going to, what difference in the cartoon it makes is that is going to, you can say accessories, or you can say when we are decorating her up, तो उससे बहुत ज्यादा फर्क पड़ जाता है. So now we are going to just go ahead with this. ठीक है, चलो, let's not waste our time. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to draw eyes. But how we are going to draw this eyes is, we are going to take one eye here and one eye here. चलो चलो जल्दी जल्दी, ठीक है. Okay, done. Then we make eyelids. Okay, now this is girl, so we need to understand that she has eyelashes. That's how people differentiate in cartooning. So you're going to get nice big eyelashes. Just go with this like type of pattern, ching ching, ऐसे pattern. ठीक है, चलो चलो जल्दी जल्दी guys. She is already your bestest friend, Okay, that types. Okay, then you are going to give the eyeballs. Okay, now eyebrows. Again, the लड़कियों के eyebrows बहुत ही cute होते हैं, right? So इन शेप वाले आईब्रोज दे दिए उसे, ठीक है। एंड लड़कियों का चेहरा छोटा होता है, छोटा। सो मैं यहाँ पे बड़ा निकाल रही हूँ बिकॉज आप लोगों को दिखना चाहिए इसलिए, ठीक है। सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज, अगेन बिफोर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू पुट अ नोज, we have put a long nose. Okay, you want to give her a nose pin, you can give, or else I'm just going to give it a dot. Okay, then again smile. She has the most radiant smile in Meerut city or Meerut Cant. Okay, then you are just going to cover this. Okay, and because she has to be beautiful, we are going to draw a middle line and join this. Okay, okay, now we are going to cover this up fast, 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 fast. Again the similar thing, but यहाँ हमको जो ये बनाना है, dots देने हैं. Not we generally give a dots here, near nosy. We should not give a dots near nosy. See, a girl's face, girl's face यहाँ पे ये ज्यादा नजदीक है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जहाँ पे eyes खत्म होती है, यहाँ पे एक dots देंगे अंदाजे, ठीक है? And we will give her her head. Okay, okay. Then we are going to give her a cute chin, and the face is long, right? So just join it. I know it will be the most beautiful girl. Okay, okay. I know. ठीक है. चलो. And give her ears. Okay. यहाँ पे उसको हम देंगे cute से earrings. She is the most dazzling girl, She's the most latest fashionable girl. So she's wearing the fashionable earrings. Give the earring or jhumkas or own type, doesn't matter. Okay. Then we have to give it a neck. Okay. अभी hair. Now लड़कियों के बाल जरा ज्यादा बड़े होते हैं, लड़कियों के बाल जरा ज्यादा बड़े होते हैं. So we are going to give it with this. Okay. ठीक है. First, before accessorizing her hair, we are going to go ahead with her neck. अभी neck में चाहिए है कुछ तो cute सा. So we have to do a pearl necklace. You can choose your own design whenever you want to choose. Okay. Then what we are going to do is, we don't have to do any damn thing. It's the simplest part. See, just make it like a vase. करो 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 जल्दी जल्दी. That's a frill of her frock. It's a cartoon, guys. Okay. Then what we give it to allude her hands. See. Okay. Now, if you want, you can make anything, with this. Like you want to make her bangles. So you, if okay, this is, I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to explore her hand like this. Okay. And okay, give me the bangles. Okay, something whatever she wants to say. Okay. Now this is really bad because it was imprinted down. I should have taken fresh paper. It's okay. Okay. Now we're going to just make this all days. Fast, 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 fast. Big curls. थोड़े से सर पे आएंगे. Okay. Now I'll give a pattern. Okay. Now we will give her shoes. Nothing else, just you. And then the same apple. Okay. Again, your something, whatever you want to write, you can just write here with bubble or thinking, in this pattern. Okay. Again, same thing. Raju. Okay, I'm gonna give her. I just love her most. So I'm gonna give her dimples. Dimples here. Okay. And if you want, you can make her eyes more small. A light dark. She's wearing a lot of mascara. You can extend it if you want to. Slogan out here. Happy on your t-shirt.
Okay.
Okay.
Or something.
Or something like that. So now what we can do is, I didn't tell you one thing, that is we have small minute lines. Okay, those lines make a lot of difference. How we are going to do that is, see, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे सोए हैं हम लोग तो सिलवटें गिरती है, right? You remember? So we're just going to give a small line here, 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 a small line here. So it shows that कि okay ये तो बंदा सोया हुआ है. Now again you are going to do is like I will like I will just make it a speech bubble. Okay, and I will write it, mom सोने दो. Okay, ठीक है. And main important thing, Raju, your signature. Okay, now I will show you. This man is standing, right? So this man is just standing. But if he was doing any movements, what you can do is you can just show him like this two lines. There are two lines, add anywhere, so that you know it can show and add up the character. One more thing in cartooning which you have to remember is that this. See, our cartoons is always black and white. On the white paper, we are drawing with a black pen generally. So we need to make a contrast. What is the contrast? See, in this picture, it will be very clear. You have shoes, you have pant. Okay, the shoes are white, pant is dark, shirt is white, neck is white, this is dark, this is dark, this is dark, this is dark. So wherever we can see, and even in this contrast, we have just filled the, you know, our tongue, or the mouth black. So the thing is, wherever you can fill up, you must fill up. See, to make it more attractive, you can even go for like filling up these hearts, and it will be starting more attractive. See, I'll just show you. I was just waiting for this part. Okay, now see, these are the darkened hearts, and these are normal hearts or normal stars. This makes more attractive because it's the contrast which plays the game. Okay, so what I want you to do is, I want you to draw this cartoon and draw and write your own message. Okay, not my message. I'm telling you again. On this also, you will draw and write your own message, what you feel, okay, or what this chap or what this character of your feels. Okay, okay, done. Okay, are we good to go? Are we good to go for the third person, or we should stop? Fast. I have only 5 minutes I can spare with. Fast, go. Kuch to likho, guys. Where are you? Go, right, go. Chalo, jaldi. Okay, that's great. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to show you fast girl, because I need to have my evoke your writer lecture. That is also very important, So the thing is, chalo let's fast, हम लोग अभी एक बहुत ही cute सी लड़की निकालते हैं. Now what happens is, लड़की के साथ में what difference makes? क्या है कि लड़का कुछ भी डाल देगा, just t-shirt pant हो जाता है. That's okay, boys are too handsome to go ahead, but लड़की के बहुत सारे नखरे होते हैं, right? And like I also have many nakras. So like matching tickly, matching dress, matching this, matching that, whatever. So we are going to, what difference in the cartooning makes is that it is going to, you can say accessories, or you can say when we are deckling her up, तो उससे बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ जाता है. So now we are going to just go ahead with this. ठीक है, चलो, let's not waste our time. Okay, ठीक है. Okay. Now, what we have to do is we have to draw eyes. But how we are going to draw these eyes is we are going to take one eye here and one eye here. Chalo, jaldi. ठीक है? Okay, done. Then we are going to make eyelids.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Now
this
this
is
is
girl.
girl.
So
So
we
we
need
need
to
to
understand
understand
that
that
she
she
has
has
eyelashes.
eyelashes.
That's
That's
how
how
people
people
differentiate in
differentiate in
cartooning.
cartooning.
So
So
you're
you're
going
going
to
to
give
give
her
her
nice
nice
big
big
eyelashes.
eyelashes.
Just
Just
go
go
with
with
this
this
type
type
of
of
pattern,
pattern, you know.
ching ching.
चिंग चिंग
ऐसे
ऐसे
pattern.
पैटर्न करो.
ठीक है?
ठीक है?
चलो चलो
चलो
चलो
चलो
जल्दी
चलो
जल्दी
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 जल्दी जल्दी
guys.
guys.
She is going to
She
be
is going
your
to be your
bestest
bestest
friend.
friend, you know.
Okay, that
Okay,
types.
that types.
Okay.
Okay, then you are going to give the eyeballs.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Now
eyebrows.
eyebrows. Again, the
लड़कियों
लड़कियों
के
के
eyebrows
eyebrows
बहुत
बहुत
ही
ही
cute
cute
होते
होते हैं,
हैं, right?
right?
So
So
इन
इन
shape
शेप
वाले
वाले
eyebrows
आईब्रोज
दे
दे
दिए
दिए
उसे.
उसे.
ठीक है?
ठीक है.
एंड
एंड
लड़कियों का
लड़कियों
चेहरा
का चेहरा
छोटा
छोटा
होता है,
होता है, छोटा.
सो
सो
बिकॉज
बिकॉज मैं यहाँ पे बड़ा निकाल रही हूँ बिकॉज आप लोगों को दिखना चाहिए इसलिए. ठीक है.
सो
So
व्हाट
what
वी
we
आर
are
गोइंग
going
टू
to
डू
do
इज
is,
अगेन
again,
बिफोर
before
दैट
that, we are going to put a nose. We are put a long nose.
Okay.
Okay. You want to give her a nose pin, you can give, or else I'm just going to give it a dot.
Okay.
Okay. Then again, a smile. She has the most radiant smile in Meerut city or Meerut Cant.
Okay.
Okay. Then you're just going to cover this. Okay. Because she has to be beautiful, we are going to draw a middle line and join this. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to cover this up. Fast, 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 fast. Okay. Again, the similar thing. But यहाँ पे हम लोगों को जो ये बनाना है, you know, dots देने हैं. Not we generally give a dots here near nosy. We should not give a dots near nosy because see, a girl's face, you know, a girl's face यहाँ पे ये ज्यादा नजदीक है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जहाँ पे eyes खत्म होती है, वहाँ पे यहाँ पे एक dots देंगे अंदाजे. ठीक है? And we are going to give her a head. Okay. Okay. Then we are going to give her a cute chin. And the face is long, right? So, chin. Just join it. I know अभी नहीं दिख रही है, but it will be the most beautiful girl. Okay? Okay? हाँ, I know. ठीक है. चलो. Then give her ears. Okay? यहाँ पे उसको हम देंगे cute से earrings. She is the most dazzling girl, you know. She's the most latest fashionable girl. So she's wearing the fashionable earrings. Give the earring or jhumkas of your own type. Doesn't matter. Okay? Then we are going to give it a neck. Okay? अभी hair. Now लड़कियों के बाल जरा ज्यादा बड़े होते हैं, लड़कियों के बाल जरा ज्यादा बड़े होते हैं. So we are going to give it with this. Okay? ठीक है? First, before accessorizing her hair, we are going to go ahead with her neck. अभी neck में चाहिए है कुछ तो cute सा. So we are going to give her a pearl necklace. You can choose your own design whenever you want to choose. Okay. Then what we are going to do is, we don't have to do any damn thing. It's the most simplest part. See? Just make it like a vase. करो 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 जल्दी जल्दी. That's a frill of her frock. It's a cartoon, guys. Okay. Then what we are going to give it to elude her hands. See? Okay. Now, if you want, you can make anything, you know, with this. Like you want to make her wear bangles. So you, if okay, this is, I'm not just going to do it. I'm just going to explore her hand like this. Okay. And okay, give me the bangles or give me something, whatever she wants to say. Okay. Now this is looking bad because it was imprinted down. I should have taken fresh paper, but it's okay.
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 Now we are
Now
going
we
to
are going
just
to just
make
make
this
this
all
all
jalebis.
jalebis.
Fast, fast,
Fast,
fast.
fast, 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 fast.
Bakers.
Bakers.
थोड़े से सर
थोड़े
पे
से
भी
सर पे भी
आएंगे.
आएंगे.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I'll
Now
give
I'll
her
give her
pattern.
pattern.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Now
we will
we
give her
will give her
shoes.
shoes.
Nothing else.
Nothing else,
Just
just
you.
you.
Okay, you. And then
And
the
then the
semicircle.
semicircle.
Okay.
Okay.
Again
Again,
your
your
something, whatever
something,
you want
whatever
to
you want to
write, you can
write, you
just
can
write
just write it
here
here
with the
with the
bubble
bubble
or
or
thinking,
thinking,
in this
in this
pattern.
pattern.
Okay.
Okay.
Again,
Again,
same
same
thing.
thing.
Raju.
Raju.
Okay. I'm
Okay.
going to
I'm
give
going to
her.
give her,
I
I
just
just
love her
love her
more.
more.
So
So
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
give
give
her
her
dimples.
dimples.
Dimples here.
Dimples here, here, here. Okay.
And if you
And if
want,
you
you
want,
can
you
make
can
her
make her
eyes
eyes more
small.
small.
And Lyle
And
is
Lyle is
dark.
dark.
She's
She
wearing a
is
lot of
wearing a lot of
mascara.
mascara.
You can
You can
extend it.
extend it if you want to.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
So this is
So
it.
this is it.
And
And
I think
I think
you all
you
are
all are
done with it,
done with
right?
it, right?
Okay, I
Okay,
am
I
at
am
22. It's
22.
okay.
It's okay.
So I
So
think
I
please
think
write.
please write
What stop?
what
What
stop,
stop?
what
What
stop,
stop?
what stop.
Is it all
Is it
okay?
all okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
guys, we
guys, we
are
are
winding up
winding
the
up the
cartooning
cartooning
session.
session.
But before
But before
winding up the
winding up the
cartooning
cartooning
session, I
session,
want to
I
show
want to
you
show you
something.
something.
Okay.
Okay.
The thing
The
I
thing
told
I
you
told
with
you with
the
the
paper.
paper.
Take out your
Take out your
paper. Say
paper.
go.
Say
Say
go.
go.
Say
Say
go.
go.
Say
Say
go.
go.
Say
Fast,
go.
fast,
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 fast.
fast, fast.
Say go.
Say go.
Yeah. Take
Yeah.
out your
Take out
paper
your
in your
paper in
hand.
your hand.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone is able to.
Everyone is able
Everyone
to
is
see
able
my
to see
paper.
my paper.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to
I'm going to
rotate it
rotate
this
it
way.
this way.
Okay.
Okay.
One
One
sec.
sec.
Give me a
Give me a
time.
time. Okay.
Okay. This is
Okay.
my
This is my
square
square
paper.
paper. Okay.
I'm going to
I'm
fold
going
it
to
in
fold it
half.
in half.
Like a
Like a
triangle.
triangle.
See, remember
See,
the
remember the
triangle which we
triangle
used
which
to
we
do?
used to do in the school?
Fast, fast,
Fast,
fold
fast,
it.
fold it.
Okay.
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 Then
Then
I'm not
I'm
going to
not
do
going to do
anything. I'm
anything.
going to
I'm going
take
to
this
take this
triangle,
triangle,
end वाला
end वाला
triangle,
triangle यहाँ पे,
जहां तक
जहां
आता
तक
है
आता है वहां तक.
Okay.
Okay.
I've taken
I've taken
this
this
triangle.
triangle.
Okay.
Okay.
This
This
triangle
triangle
till here.
till here.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll hold it
I'll
here.
hold it here.
I'll press
I'll
this.
press this.
Press करो
Press
जल्दी
करो
जल्दी
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 जल्दी जल्दी.
जल्दी press
जल्दी
करो.
press करो.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Now
same thing.
same thing.
This part,
This part,
this side,
this side,
I'm going to
I'm
put
going to
it
put it
here.
here.
Jaldi.
Jaldi.
See?
See,
Everyone has got
everyone has got the same thing.
one,
One,
two.
two.
Okay.
Okay.
Now what we are
Now
going
what
to
we
do
are going
is
to do is
I'm going to
I'm
take
going to
this
take this
down.
down.
I'll just
I'll
make
just
this
make
ulta.
this ulta.
Make this
Make
down.
this down.
And
And
voila,
voila,
guys, you
guys,
have
you have
received
received
a cup.
a cup.
A cup,
A
or you
cup,
can
or
say
you can say
disposable
disposable
bowl.
bowl.
Wherever you
Wherever
go
you go
outside
outside
in
in
some nature
some
trail
nature
or
trail or
something,
something,
you
you
want
want
to
to
keep some
keep some
pebbles of
pebbles of
yours or
yours
some
or some
gooseberries, you
gooseberries.
can
You
just
can
use
just
this
use this
cup
cup
at the go.
at the go.
And
And
I hope you
I
have
hope you
liked it.
have liked it.
So now,
So now,
without
without
wasting our
wasting
time,
our
let's give
time,
our
let's give
time
our time
to
to
evoke
evoke
our
our
writer.
writer.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
Just Yes, okay, that's great. So let's go ahead. We had this topic, evoke your writer, is just because of one thing, is that um, basically I myself love to write, and everybody should write, they should love to write, and how we can develop it, not everybody is that skilled, right? So we should know how to make impact on other person. What happens generally, guys, that your paper or your diaries or your books, everything is being seen or observed by somebody else, right? So that somebody else, is examiner sometimes, and he or she doesn't know you personally. So how she or he will come to know what are your thoughts, right? That's why you need to evoke your writer, and you need to learn how to write effectively. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. Okay, just give me a moment. That's great. Okay, participants, okay, done. The cases, okay, the cases, we need to think, or we need to keep things in mind as the concept. What exactly is the concept? What are we going to write about? We are going to write about essay, we are going to write about article, we are going to write about something like a story, or some dialogues or something or other. We need to write it and understand what is exactly the concept. Then what is the next step? That is the branch of ideas. In the sense is, what I generally do is like, if suppose what happened was yesterday itself, that I had to give this lecture, right? So I had to prepare even for the cartooning, art of cartooning lecture, that how I will squeeze in like 3 hours lecture in like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, a half an hour, or 45 minutes. So that concept was there, right? So what I did was I wrote all the types of ideas. See, vague ideas. Vague idea is the something like I think ये बोलने के बाद में जो कुछ भी आपके मन में आता है, that is a vague idea. That is not at all a like certain idea. ठीक है? जो first thought आता है in your mind, whatever, whenever you are thinking about doing anything, that's a vague idea. Okay, so what I generally do is, as I told you, I had to prepare, so I took a notebook and I started writing down, okay, I can record the session, what if the bandwidth is not good, so what should be the backup plan, everything. Okay, so you have to write it down by yourself. So then the second thing is that that there are certain ideas. What are the certain ideas is the vague. मैं सोच रहा हूँ, I am thinking, that is your vague idea. Okay, now I can do this, that is your certain idea. Okay, ये किया जा सकता है, that out of so many thoughts, this is doable, that is your certain idea. Now what is the discussed idea? Let us assume I discussed my any concept with my mother or my father or my husband. So when we discuss with each other, the ideas which erupt from it are the discussed ideas. Or the random thoughts is like, when I am cooking something, or when I am having food, or when I am going to loo, I am just thinking, oh my god, what exactly is this going on? That is random thought. Oh my god, that is idea. You remember that story, that Eureka story? Archimedes went into that bathtub and his water fell off, and he was like, Eureka, 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 and he just went off. That is known as random thought. So, as I second point says, pen down everything, however silly it may. तुमको लग रहा है कि क्या है ये, मैं क्या भद्दा लिख रहा हूँ, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? No, just pen down it, and then what happens is, read, research, observe, and think everywhere. In the sense, what used to happen is, like, I have aced many essay competitions, guys. I was writing for Times of India group. I was writing for Indian Express group. I had my own. Prahar is a renowned newspaper in Mumbai, Maharashtra, or other Maharashtra. I had my own college youth page for that. So when I used to do that, we used to launch a theme, and what I used to do is, like, I used to read about it, I used to search about it, I used to observe it, and then I used to think about it everywhere. Like, in the sense is like, I have to write an essay, right? सो मुझे ऐसे का सब्जेक्ट दिया गया है, आफ्टर लाइफ, व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर कोरोना, फॉर एग्जांपल, ओके, व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर कोरोना. So I will read about corona, I will search about corona, I will observe things about corona which are in the newspaper, and then what I will do is, whenever I'm eating, I'll think about what happens after corona ends. So what happens after corona ends while going to sleep, I think those things. So after that, whatever you get to know is very very important thing, which is for writing material, which we call, okay. Then of course, brainstorm with family, friends, and with self. With the self is capitals, guys. It is very very much important. Why with self is because nobody else is going to help you out. Okay. So second thing is that it's your writing, you are going to be expressive about it, and nobody else is going to be responsible for it. So whatever you're doing, you need to be like self analyzing and self thinking and self brainstorming, yaar main ye aur ek idea dal दूं तो कैसे लगेगा. So that will add effectivity in your things. Now what happens generally is, for any mediocre or any normal person, a essay or article is very normal, okay. It's like अगर आपके क्लासरूम में 20 बच्चे हैं या 50 बच्चे हैं या 60 बच्चे हैं, सो उनमें से कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपने बहुत ही अच्छा और इफेक्टिव लिखा है. तो इफेक्टिव लिखने के लिए कुछ टिप्स यहाँ पे है. First thing is that for introduction, start with the poetic lines or thought or proverb or quotes for impression. In the sense is like, मैं पढ़ते टाइम ही मैंने अगर पढ़ा, like for example, the world is better place to live, said Napoleon Bonaparte. Okay, if I write that thing first, it takes a very great epic impression in front of. Okay, I'll be more loud. Okay, it will take more impression on the speaker, rather, like, sorry, on the examiner. Okay, so that will be a great impression on examiner, because you have given him something different than a normal person. Are you getting it? Just type in okay or yes. Just type in yes. Okay, that's great, that's great, that's great, that's great. Thanks. Thank you very much. Okay, so then second thing is that, if suppose you start with the twinkle twinkle little star also, like it's a the poem in childhood, okay. But if I start writing my corona essay with that twinkle twinkle little stars, how I wonder what you are, okay, with this, now I am watching the stars only from windows of my home, and the corona, the havoc of corona has stopped me from going everywhere. So it just takes your examiner or the reader who is reading your article to the next level, okay. So that's the case. And next, go ahead, explain the introduction. Then why I have said it is because, why am I speaking about it? Ek minute, one sec. I'll need to mute somebody. Priya, please mute yourself. Priya, please mute yourself. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so the case is, Tarushi, please switch off your audio, beta. Okay. Uh, the thing is, okay, let's go ahead. Then we have to explain that introduction. Why I said this? Why I said twinkle twinkle little stars, and then I have explained it. Because I am not able to move out of my house, I am watching my stars from my balcony or from my window, and then I will go ahead while giving the pointers or the middle body, how the corona will affect the afterlife, or how it is affecting now, how it will affect later. Okay, for ending it, then middle body consists of your main matter, whatever the article you, whatever the subject lines or whatever the brainstorming ideas which you have thought about. You can go with the pointers like 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 points, or with the paragraphs and with the small headlines. Then with the end with the conclusion or the exclamatory mark, like if I have to end this, I will end it like, if corona doesn't end, if corona doesn't end, I will be stoned for ages. exclamatory mark. That's it. That's it. Like, or something like, if corona doesn't end, I will don't know. I don't know what will happen to the future. That's it. Like an exclamatory mark. It's done. And that is the essay or the article which will give you a impact starting, impact ending. Always remember that the best starting and the best ending is more important rather than a middle thing. Of course, middle matter is also important, but still. Okay, now I'll just go with the next slide. Okay, where is my slide? Sorry. Okay, done. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Now, I don't know how many people here write down the poem, okay? But I love to write down poem. It is just wonderful expression of thoughts. And I'll end the session at 12:45, and I'll try to just squeeze everything. Uh, okay, the poem is actually expression of thoughts, and rhyming word is important. Like, अगर तूने मुझे देखा तो मेरे मन में ख्याल आया types, that rhyming is very important. That's great. I can see Tarushi have written poems, Suvi, Neil, and Arsh, and somebody else also. Okay, Sharvari has written something. Okay, okay, stories. So whatever, let's come back to the main point. Rhyming words is not important, but it is it is important, but it is not necessary. So you can just write down, pen down your thoughts. Okay, pen down your thoughts and just write down. Okay, Tamanna is also saying that, yeah, I also love to write poems. That's great. We will share this. I will give you guys today a topic, and you are going to work about it, so don't worry, I will see your creativities. So let's go ahead. What is a poem? Like, poem is expression of thought, what I feel right now. Okay, what I feel, what I want to share with you guys, that is that expression of thoughts. And then rhyming is like, okay, it's fine, but if it is not there, it doesn't matter. I'm just expressing myself, right? Then free flow. Okay, what I generally do is, for writing down the poems, is I just write down the free flow of the idea. Sometimes my poem is not well constructed. So generally I have this habit from childhood, and I want you all to inculcate this habit. Is, I have this small diary, okay, this hand had hand-sized diary, and a small pen, okay, attached to it, and I keep it beside my bed. Like, it's like, with my bed I have my mobile phone, and I have my that diary. So in that diary I jot down anything random. If something comes in my mind about, and like, I write many poems in Marathi and Hindi and English. So something comes very abruptly, I'll just write it down. And I'll tell you, when you are poet, okay, when you are poet, you will always get the best of the inspirations while you are sleeping, or while just you're awake, or middle of the night you will wake up suddenly, and you will like, oh my god, I've got this, and you will just start writing. So at that time you can't just disturb your family. So that's why I keep it ready at my head. And हैंड राइटिंग के ऊपर ध्यान नहीं देना, हैंड राइटिंग के ऊपर कुछ भी हो जाता है, कल सुबह उठ के बाद में आराम से वो देख लेना, यू नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू हैव रिटन, सो you don't have to show it to anybody, so it's okay. So you have to write it down and pen it, just pen it without thought, without a rhyme, without anything, just write it down, express yourself. And yes, that's important thing, that always remember that it is you, that poem, the expression of the poem is you. So you have to remember that it's whatever it is just you. So express. Who else is going to judge you for that? I mean, like, nobody, it doesn't matter, it's for yourself. Or when it's for yourself, you can go ahead with others. Okay, so now let me go ahead with the last slide of the day. And okay, remember why to write. Okay, why to write. Okay, I'll just minimize this window, one sec. Okay, why to write is, it's first thing is that it's awesome thing in the world. it's awesome thing in the world. Trust me, when you start writing it, and when you start penning down the thoughts, धीरे धीरे, ये जल्दी नहीं होता है, okay? If you don't have habit, it doesn't matter, you know. I have written the tips for it. Start maintaining diary or write at least 5 lines daily, okay? जस्ट 5 लाइन्स लिखो, कुछ भी लिखो, कुछ भी। आज मैंने ये खाना खाया, आज मैंने ये मूवी देखी, आज मैं ऐसे सोया, आज मैंने ये किया, आज मैंने ये ड्रीम देखा, आज मेरा इससे झगड़ा हुआ, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू राइट, maintain, start maintaining that diary, because that diary is awesome. Like, you don't have a diary, don't worry, you can take a nice notebook, add just a nice handmade cover to it, and utilize it, you know. Then again, what happens is, when you write your analytical thinking or linking of the thoughts, oh my god, okay, iske wajah se ye hua, okay, after this thing happened, ये सब कुछ जो चीज है, ये इसके वजह से हो जाती है. This is how you start start thinking and forming a chain of thoughts. ठीक है? Then again, which is like far more important for me, is it takes away your mental stress and burden away. In the sense, you write it down everything, and it just takes your stress away, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है जो हम लोग मम्मी पापा को नहीं बता सकते, मैं मेरे अभी हस्बैंड को नहीं बता सकती, और यू कांट इवन शेयर दो सीक्रेट्स विद योर बेस्टेस्ट ऑफ द फ्रेंड. सो what to do, you just write that down, and just tear it away, फेंक दो उसको कचरे के डब्बे में, it doesn't matter, okay? So ये बर्डन जो होता है ना दिल पे कि यार मैं किसको बताऊं, वो निकल जाएगा. Okay, and always remember that writing helps, because you are your best buddy. Okay, you are your best buddy, and you need to remember that you are the only one who can save yourself from everything. So आगे जाके, I know that this might sound much theoretical or philosophical थोड़ा सा आपके एज के लिए, but एक बात बताऊंगी. कुछ सालों के बाद में, जब आप 35 कैसे हो जाओगे, या आप लोग स्कूल्स चेंज करोगे, यू विल फाइंड आउट दैट योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स आर नॉट टुगेदर विथ यू. दे हैव चेंज्ड विथ टाइम, यू आर चेंजिंग विथ टाइम. the only thing who remains is you, right? कल भी आपको मधुरा मैम ने बताया था कि you are your best buddy, so you need to start understanding and doing the things like that. So when you are your best buddy, your diary is your best buddy, you start talking to yourself, and certainly this writing helps. Okay guys, so that was my time for all, and thank you very much for this session. And okay, I'll stop sharing it. If any questions are there, you can unmute yourself and ask me, or you can type in the right chat box, and the session is over. Okay, but before that, just let me know if you want to go for the more cartooning wala thing. You tell me that later. But the thing is that how you liked the sessions for the day, how it was, like if it was awesome, like my session, Renuka ma'am session, cartooning session, if you have loved it, write down love. If it was awesome, write down awesome. If it was best, write down best. Just pen it down fast. I want to see the reactions, guys. Fast, write it down, write it down fast, darlings. I can see that, Kabir. Okay. We'll conduct this cartooning session. I'll teach you 2 cartooning session first. Just let them finish it off first. Okay. Now.
Ma'am,
Yes, Divit.
ma'am, please tell the topic of the poem again. Actually, I couldn't listen.
Okay, beta. The thing is that, see, we are going to upload this video on YouTube. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see it from there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. I'll send you the link tomorrow. Okay, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else?
Bye, ma'am.
Any doubts, Divit?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you,
Bye.
Tamanna. Okay. Anybody who wants to stay for cartooning session, they can stay. Rest of you can move. I'm just going to show 2 quick cartoons, not more than that, because I'm just tired. So just write it down if anybody is waiting for cartooning. Guys, only 5, 6. Okay, how many people are there online? Let me check. Okay, ठीक है, okay, fair enough. Okay, bye bye, see ya. Okay, anybody who's there for cartooning, just let me know. Cartooning. Bye, David. Bye, Sharvari. Okay, okay, okay. Everyone else is gone. So, okay, nobody is there for cartooning session, so that's great. How many people are there? Hi, Freya. Okay. Ek minute, guys. What are you? Why you are writing your names? Just tell me that. Are you in for cartooning or are you out for cartooning? What am I going to do? Just let me know. Unmute yourself and speak. Unmute Freya. Freya, unmute कर.
मैम मुझे रहना है.
Okay, आपको रहना है. ठीक है शर्वरी. समझ में आ गया.
हाँ.
Okay, mute yourself. Guys, so चलो फटाफट अगर वो करना है तो I'll have to be a quick one. चलो, let's go. Because it takes times. Okay, guys, whosoever is for cartooning, just write cartoon. Type in cartoon. That's it. Okay, that's great. Where is it? Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay. I need to admit myself first. अन्ना आपको रुकना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. बैठो वहाँ पे.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. Okay, can you see my canvas now? Where is my canvas? I can't see my canvas. Everybody, can you see my canvas? Just type in yes, because I am not able to hear because मैंने ये बंद कर दिया है. आवाज मेरा ना, I have closed it off. Okay. 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 Okay, there is a problem of bandwidth, guys. I need to switch off my video. Are you able to see? Are you able to see? Just chat in yes. And are you able to hear? Just chat in okay, 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 okay. Write down okay, better. If you can hear me, write down okay. Yeah, that's great. Let's go ahead fast. Okay. Huh. Okay. Now I will show you something fast only. Okay. A face of old chap. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Now I'm going to draw two big eyes fast. Okay. Then one eye. He is just angry young Buddha. Okay, he is just very very angry and very suspicious kind of a character. So we are just going to give this line and this line. Okay, then we are going to show a nosy, big nosy. Okay, then he's not happy, right? You're just going to give it a line, nothing else. Okay, now what happens is, as I told you, near nosy, we are going to give 2 dots. Okay, just join those 2 dots with the vertical shape. Okay, now for this chin, he is angry, right? We are going to show a chin like this massive. Okay, we are going to draw this chin. Okay, then we are going to just connect this part and this part. So we are going to show the cheeks, है ना? बुड्ढे लोगों के cheeks थोड़े से ऐसे बड़े होते हैं. बुड्ढे लोगों के cheeks थोड़े से बड़े होते हैं. So we are going to do that way. Okay. Then again 6 inverted 6. Okay. Okay. Nothing else we are going to show. We are just going to show. And 4, 5 hair. Aro water Anna. Okay. So now you can make his body like, okay, like this. Then I'm going to show his hands big. Doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay. Now he is Motu uncle. Okay. Now sometimes you cannot show legs. It's fine. What we are going to show is like iski belly dikh rahi hai. This is his belly button. This is his belly button. Okay. And he's wearing a t-shirt or banyan, whatever you want to make him wear. He's feeling very hot and that's why he's so angry. Just show hands like this. Show hands like this. Okay, you can add up anything out here. In the sense is like if you want to add up a paper, you can add up a newspaper. Okay, like this. And then again, whatever he is thinking or whatever, मैं तुमको सबक सिखाऊंगा. So you will write it down. मैं तुम्हें सबक सिखाऊंगा. Okay, and write it down, Praju. Your signature. Okay, that's done. Chalo fatafat guys. Type in, okay, I'll just show you this for a couple of things. Type in, okay, go. Type in, go. Fast. Type in, go. Okay, only Tamanna have said type in go. That's it. Nobody else is done. Type in go, guys. Durvi, okay. Okay. 2 more responses. Okay, bye, Sharvari. Anybody else? Done? Okay. I'll just show you a side posture. Okay. Now for side face, we are just going to take one eye. Okay. With one big eye, we are just going to protrude his eye like this. Okay. Then half circle. Again, this same circle like this. From here, we are going to protrude the nosy out. Okay. Then the upper lip. And there is this big cavity which joins here. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And we are going to color it. Okay? Now his eyebrows. Eyebrows are protruding out. Okay? Now the face is having hair. मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले आपको दिखाया था ना जैसे हम लोग करेंगे सी इसके कुछ बाल खड़े हैं just like pineapple. Okay, like this. I'm going to color this up.
Bye bye. See you soon.
Okay. Inverted 6. His ear. When we draw a single line here, again one line, again one line. Okay. Now what am I going to do is I am going to start his body and I'm going to join this third line. Okay. I'll join his trunk. Okay. The hands, the same thing. I want to show it like, so I'll just show his sleeves like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And he's in running position. So I'll show you a position. And this way. Okay. Now I want to give him a checker plant. I'll give him a checker pant. As I told you, the contrast is very much important. Shoes of brinjal. Again. Okay. Now he's running, right? So I'll add these lines. Is in action. बचाओ मुझे कोरोना से कोई या something or other. Help me! बचाओ! And again, how you can forget? It's like, sign yourself, darlings. Love, love. Okay, so